kick off this fantastic journey, simply locate and click on the Add Asset button. This is where the magic begins. Select the perfect blockchain network for your token's grand debut. It's time to make your token creation process even more personalized. To get things rolling, let's identify your business category. This video example will take you through the step-by-step process of creating a barbershop token from start to finish. So let's check the health and beauty option. It's time to choose a name that perfectly embodies your business's identity and essence. In my example, it will be the business name Rick's Barbershop. Make your token truly yours. Go ahead and upload a logo image that represents your brand's identity. This logo will be the face of your token, leaving a memorable mark wherever it goes. Share a comprehensive and captivating description using well-formatted and stylized text. Let your words paint a vivid picture of your business's vision, values, and offerings. Polished and appealing description will elevate your token's appeal and make it stand out in the crowd. Enhance the authenticity and charm of your token by uploading some captivating real-world photos of your business. These images will give a glimpse of your physical presence, allowing your audience to connect with your brand on a more personal level. So, gather those captivating snapshots and infuse your token with the vibrant spirit of your actual business. Elevate your business information to a whole new level by adding engaging videos and social network identification. This concise example, we'll skip some details to focus on the most impactful aspects. Get ready to demonstrate key elements that truly showcase your business's essence. Tracking your progress has never been easier. Keep an eye on the top left corner to see the percentage of completion for your filling process. This nifty indicator will let you know exactly how close you are to finishing this step, giving you a clear sense of your progress. Move forward confidently towards the finish line. One crucial piece of information you must provide is the valuation of your business. Take into account both the period profit and future projections, considering potential opportunities and investment. Lighten your audience with the type of valuation method you've employed to arrive at this value. Transparently sharing this vital data will instill confidence in your token and attract investors. Now let's get everything ready to create your token on the blockchain using all this information.